don't be afraid to dream too big. Nothing is impossible. If you believe in yourself, you can achieve it. Hi friends. Hi friends. The very first of all, I would like to wish an amazing evening to each and every one of you. Thank you, Ayan sir, for providing me this wonderful chance to present myself in front of my friends. I am Pradeep and I am a very proud student of English at Workplace. Today I am here on the stage to give my presentation on gadgets. And I think you all guys must know or you have some idea about gadgets. If you haven't, let me first know you about gadgets. So gadgets and often a small mechanical or electronic device with a practical use, but often thought of as a novelty. It means something new or unusual. Like we have many gadgets, phone, laptops, refrigerator, cooler, TV, LED, cameras, etc. And in this current era or modern era, we all are surrounded by gadgets, or it is very useful in our daily life. So let's throw a little light to the importance of gadgets in our daily life, such as communication, innovation and creativity, health, efficiency, convenience, entertainment, information, etc. The benefits of gadgets in our lives have saved people a lot of time, efforts and money because it mostly used saving systems. It made our life easier, smoother and more vibrant, and reduces distances between nations, such as the use of mobile phones and personal computers. One of the most significant benefit of gadgets in the life of a student is their ability to provide access to information. With the help of internet, students can now access a wealth of information and resources to support their learnings. Now it's time to, when I talk about the gadgets which do I have or which is present in my home, then there are like mobile phones, laptop, refrigerator, cooler, cameras, TV, etc. Then it's high time to know that which gadget do I have today to present in front of you. So I have my laptop today to present. At first, my father bought me this laptop to continue my studies further, and he bought me this laptop from some digital or electronic shop in Mumbai last year. Now at first let me know you about the RAM and ROM of this laptop, but before this I would like to throw a little light about RAM and ROM. So first, RAM, which stands for random access memory, and it is primary memory, and it is also called volatile memory, which means it will lose its content when it turned off. Actually it helps in running the device smoothly, efficiently, and after that my laptop contains the RAM of 8 GB. Second, ROM, which stands for read-only memory. It is also called secondary memory and permanent memory, and the content which is stored in it is used by the user while performing different types of tasks. And my laptop contains 512 GB of ROM or secondary device. After that, if I talk about the camera of my laptop, so generally laptops comes with only front camera, and my laptop has also front camera with high definition 720 pixel. After that, it's time to I want to share some features of my laptop. So like it has 15.6 inches of HD resolution display. It has which is 180 degree which has 180 degree movement. It has fingerprint, face lock, and many more features are also available in the laptops. At last but not the least, as far as the price of this laptop is concerned, so the cost of this laptop is about 70K. And that's all about my today's presentation.